In the simplest terms, web development is the process of building and maintaining websites. It's like constructing a house, but instead of bricks and mortar, we use code. This code tells a web browser like Chrome or Firefox how to display a website to users. Web development encompasses a wide range of tasks, from creating simple static web pages to complex web applications, social media platforms, and e-commerce sites. Imagine a world without the internet. No Google searches, no online shopping, no connecting with friends on social media. Sounds pretty bleak, right? Web development is the invisible force that powers the internet, making all these things possible. Web development is a constantly evolving field, with new technologies and trends emerging all the time. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the basics, providing a solid foundation for your web development journey. This roadmap will equip you with the essential knowledge and resources to navigate the exciting world of web development. So, buckle up and get ready to dive in. In today's digital landscape, having a strong online presence is no longer optional, it's essential. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or simply someone who wants to share their passions with the world, a website is your digital storefront, your online portfolio, and your voice in the vast digital realm. Web development empowers you to create engaging and interactive experiences for your audience. From showcasing products and services to sharing information and building communities, the possibilities are limitless. Moreover, web development skills are in high demand. As businesses and organizations continue to shift online, the need for skilled web developers is only going to increase. Learning web development not only opens up a world of creative opportunities, but it also equips you with valuable skills for the job market. So whether you're driven by passion or pragmatism, embarking on a web development journey is a smart move. It's an investment in yourself and your future in a world that's becoming increasingly digital every day. Front-end development is like the interior designer of the web. It focuses on everything users see and interact with directly on a website: the layout, colors, fonts, buttons, menus, and all the interactive elements. Imagine designing the perfect living room. That's front-end development, but for websites. To create these visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces, front-end developers use a trio of core languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of these languages as the tools of the trade. HTML provides the structure and content, CSS adds the style and aesthetics, and JavaScript brings interactivity and dynamic behavior to the website. Mastering these front-end languages is crucial for crafting seamless and engaging user experiences. It's about creating websites that are not only visually stunning, but also intuitive and easy to navigate. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of every website. It's the language that provides the basic structure and content of a web page. Think of HTML as the framework of a house, defining the different rooms, walls, and floors. HTML uses a system of tags to mark up different elements of a web page. For example, the tag indicates a heading, while the tag defines a paragraph of text. These tags tell the web browser how to display the content to the user. Learning HTML is like learning the alphabet of web development. It's the fundamental language that everything else builds upon. Fortunately, HTML is relatively easy to learn, with a straightforward syntax that's beginner-friendly. Once you've grasped the basics of HTML, you'll be able to create the structural foundation for your web pages, laying the groundwork for adding style and interactivity. Section 5. CSS Styling the Look and Feel. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language used to style the look and feel of a website. If HTML is the framework of a house, CSS is the paint, furniture, and decorations that make it visually appealing. With CSS, you can control everything from the colors and fonts to the layout and positioning of elements on a web page. You can create visually stunning designs, apply animations and transitions, and make your website responsive to different screen sizes. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them. For example, you can select all the headings on a page and set their color to blue or change their font size. Mastering CSS allows you to transform a plain HTML document into a visually engaging and aesthetically pleasing website. It's about bringing your creative vision to life and making your website stand out from the crowd. Section 6. JavaScript Bringing Websites to Life. JavaScript is the language that brings interactivity and dynamic behavior to websites. It allows you to create everything from simple animations and image carousels to complex web applications and games. With JavaScript, you can make your website respond to user actions such as clicks, mouse overs, and form submissions. You can also fetch data from external sources, update content dynamically, and create a more engaging and interactive user experience. JavaScript works hand in hand with HTML and CSS. It can manipulate the content and style of HTML elements, bringing your website to life with dynamic effects and behaviors. Learning JavaScript opens up a world of possibilities for front-end development. It's the language that empowers you to create truly interactive and engaging web experiences. Section 7. Venturing into back-end development. While front-end development focuses on the user-facing part of a website, back-end development is the behind-the-scenes engine that powers it. It's like the foundation and infrastructure of a house, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Back-end development deals with server-side logic, databases, user authentication, and all the complex processes that happen behind the scenes to deliver a seamless user experience. Think of it this way: when you visit a website and log in, the back-end handles your login information, verifies your credentials, and grants you access to your account. All this happens seamlessly in the background, thanks to the magic of back-end development. Back-end developers use a variety of languages and tools to build and maintain the server-side logic of websites and web applications. Some popular back-end languages include PHP, Python, Ruby, and Node.js, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases. Section 8. Exploring back-end languages. PHP, Python, Ruby. PHP, Python, and Ruby are among the most popular back-end languages used for web development. Each language has its own syntax, features, and strengths, making them suitable for different types of projects. Hypertext Preprocessor is a widely used server-side scripting language that's particularly well-suited for dynamic web pages and web applications. It's known for its ease of use and large community support. It is a versatile and powerful language that's gaining popularity for web development, particularly in data-heavy applications and machine learning. It's known for its readability and extensive libraries. Is another popular language known for its elegant syntax and focus on developer productivity. It's often used with the Ruby on Rails framework, which simplifies web development tasks. Choosing the right back-end language depends on the specific requirements of your project. Factors to consider include the complexity of the application, scalability needs, existing infrastructure, and personal preferences. Section 9. Understanding databases and server-side logic. Databases are essential components of many websites and web applications. They store and organize data, making it easily accessible and manageable. Think of a database as a giant spreadsheet that holds all the information for your website, such as user accounts, product details, or blog posts. Server-side logic, on the other hand, refers to the code that runs on the web server, processing requests from clients, web browsers, and interacting with the database. For example, when you submit a contact form on a website, the server-side logic processes your submission, validates the data, and stores it in the database. Back-end developers are responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining both the database and the server-side logic. They ensure that data is stored securely, retrieved efficiently, and processed correctly to deliver the desired functionality to the front end. Understanding databases and server-side logic is crucial for building dynamic and data-driven websites and web applications. It's the backbone of web development, enabling you to create interactive and personalized user experiences.